Hello YouTuber. As you can see from these photos, my hardwood floor buckled up like crazy after a series of storms. Since I knew this old room was built on a concrete slab, it is very likely caused by the moisture coming from below. So I took out a corner of the flooring to inspect, and I realized there was only a very thin layer of asphalt underneath, which was apparently in bad shape. Considering the situation is probably the same throughout the whole room, I decided to replace the whole room with new flooring and a new moisture barrier. So first thing first, it's remove all the older floors. This was indeed quite some work, but fortunately, the whole flooring was glued down by the asphalt. No fastener were used. After that, I used the 747 adhesive remover to clean the asphalt. Oh, the new flooring was delivered a few days ahead of installation, which is critical for the success of the new flooring project because this will allow the flooring planks to adjust to the new environment. For the moisture barrier, I used 6mm plastic sheeting as the first layer, and then with the heavy-duty waterproof moisture barrier on the top. After all the prep work, the real fun starts. Different from traditional installation method, which uses staples, the floating floor installation, just as it sounds, doesn't require fasteners. The planks were glued together into a giant piece of floor that floats above the underlayment. Sounds crazy, huh? No worries. This is how it is supposed to be, as long as you lock each piece up through the turns and the grooves. Then the gravity will do the job for you to keep it in place. The result is amazing, but most importantly, no more buckling.